I lived out at home at my mate's place. I had a job making surfboards for about 4 years. Spent a lot of time surfing. Took away any fear of the water. The Navy popped up as a trade I could do, and being part of an elite task force was something that sort of stood out to me as well. You know you're going to be doing something different every day. At first I wasn't sure if I'd be up to the task, but the more I looked into it, the more I thought I'd better just give it a crack. As a marine technician submariner, you're constantly got your hands on, which is what I like to do. Pulling stuff apart, pulling the nuts and bolts off things. You'll end up with a bucket full of bolts and you won't even know how you're going to put it back together, but it all comes back together in the end. The main thing that gets me up is knowing that at the end of the day, I'll be satisfied with what I've done. As a submariner, you definitely don't spend all your time out at sea. You might be on a maintenance period for a year alongside. Work-life balance is really good. There's plenty of opportunities after work or on the weekends to go out and have a surf. There's a basketball court that I go down and play basketball. They've got a bar on base as well. Being in the Navy, as a submariner, there's not many of us, so we're definitely proud to do what we do. I'm Cooper and I'm a marine technician submariner in the Royal Australian Navy.